Hi, I'm Bill Anderson. I get a lot of queries about what people should do when they find something in MIjas that's not working properly. And what I normally do is I suggest that they download the Gecor app and report it via Gecor. Gecor is an app, it's not just here for MIjas, it's an international thing, but it is used for reporting things that need attention within municipalities. Um, What I'd like to do is just to talk you through how to download the app and how to use the app and show you exactly what it is. Okay, if we take a look at your mobile phone, um, what you need to do first of all is go to either the App Store or the Apple Store to find the app. And here we have the Play Store for Android, the Apple Store. Um, and then in the search for apps, type in Gecor. Okay, it's in there. Now, click on the Gecor app and you need to install it. This will take a few moments to download and to install. You will be asked though about Gecor to give it access to various functions on your phone. I'll explain why these are important later, but I would accept all of these for the download. Okay, so now Gecor is it's finding the program and it will download it. Okay, now you have the option to open the app and let me talk you through how you register the app. Okay, that's the app opening, and now you have a couple of more steps before you can actually use it. Okay, this is just an information page, you can just skip it. Okay. Um, Very important here is that you select the city. As I say, this is not a MIjas app. This is an international app. So Gecko needs to know where it's reporting anything that you are concerned about to. And if you select city, you'll get this. Now, you can either just scroll down till you find MIjas, or you can put MIjas in the search at the top, and it will open up the app for MIjas. You need to click on this, and then that's that bit done. Now, they ask for an email and password, and this is because this is an individual process that you're going through here. Um, the email is so that they can actually notify you that whatever you've reported has been registered and notify you as and when things get actually sorted. So you put in an email here. I'm going to put in one of the emails that I have and a password. Now, you shouldn't really need the password. Once you've done it, it should be saved on your phone. But it's useful to know what you've done. Now, when you type in the password, you'll get asterisks here. But if you click on this I, you'll actually see what you've put in here, okay, just to make sure that what you think you've typed in is correct. If you click on the I again, then it will go back to the asterisks. Okay, so that's you registered your version of Gecor on your phone. And now we're going into a new page. This is the Gecor sort of action page. There are potentially a lot of functions on here, but I found that most of them don't work. Even the section which notifies you of works that are going on hasn't been updated since 2020. But this area, Explore, might be of interest to you. Because if you click on Explore, you'll see things that have already been reported by Gecor, and it may well be that what you want to report has already been done. The other thing that's of interest here is that you will see that there's a 1 and a 2 and a 3. 1 acknowledges receipt, the 2 says it is in process, and the 3 would say that it's completed. Okay, but this is the area that's really important for you here, which is the new notice. If you click on new notice, you'll see that there are a whole range of things here: water, drainage, lighting, fountains. Everything is there basically. You have to decide what the area is that you want to report. Okay, there's cleaning, gardens and green zones, bicycle lanes, everything is there. But if I choose, for example, alumbrado, which is lighting, this is the page that you're now going to get, because it's going to ask you what type of problem is there with the lighting. Okay, so for example, the lamppost isn't working, there are cables hanging out, bulbs dangling, broken glass. You need to decide what it is you want to actually report. Now, this might be a little bit difficult if you don't speak Spanish. It takes a little bit of work. The next thing that you're going to get, though, is Gecor will ask you if you can take pictures and record video, because you can actually submit a picture taken there and then with your Gecor app, or you can take a video and submit it with your Gecor app. So you would need to choose to allow that if you want to do it in that moment. Okay. Now, the other option that you're going to have here is that you want to upload a photo that you've taken previously to demonstrate what the problem is. So, will you allow Gecor to access photos, media and files on your device? If you allow that, you can actually upload a photo which you have taken previously, and perhaps once you're at home you want to actually make the report. That is basically how Gecor works. Okay, I hope you find this helpful, and you will find that submitting a complaint via Gecor is more likely to be successful to get repaired than if you contact me and I have to contact a counsellor and hope that they pass it on. This is an automated system which will produce the kind of work schedules for the various servicios operativos that will actually go to fix it. Sometimes you may find that they will say, no, this is not our responsibility. Perhaps it belongs to central government or to the Mancomunidad or to ACOSOL. But at least you will know whether or not things have been taken forward. I hope you find this useful. I hope you find it interesting. And please do use Gecor if you have things within your community that you really want to report to the council.